You can receive PayPal money within 1 hour if you know how this online money making strategy works. Your PayPal balance can soar up to $1,000. Imagine the things that you can buy when you earn this amount of money in just 1 day. Well, this could become a reality if you continue watching this video for the next few minutes. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Before we start, you need to have a PayPal account. Just go to paypal.com and create a free account by pressing this button. Now, just put the necessary information that they want from you. After that, you can now log into your own PayPal account. If you prefer another payment method, then just register to a free online banking site. To do this, just search online bank account on your account on Google. Choose the online bank that you prefer and register for a free account. After that, go to respondent.io. It is a website that allows you to make PayPal money easily. I will tell you how you can make hundreds of dollars on this website, so stay tuned on this video. Once you go to respondent.io homepage, click the Get Started button over here. Then, you will be given options whether you want to be a research participant or a researcher. It is important that you choose the I am a participant button. Now, you will get paid real money for participating in various research projects. Press this URL and click this to sign up as a participant. Now, you can either register using your social media accounts or you can use your email address. Just choose one and indicate the necessary information. After that, click the Sign Up button. Just make sure to check your email inbox after that to see the verification email. It will allow you to activate and start using your account. After confirming your account, you can now log into it and see your dashboard. It will allow you to browse various projects where you can participate to earn money online. You can scroll down to see that there are more than hundreds of projects that you can participate in. This website is an active one, which means they regularly update the list of projects. Because of this, you can see the most recent projects on this site like this one. The first tip that I want to share with you regarding this website is that there are different categories that you can choose from to earn money online. You can choose from 6 different categories, namely software developers, marketers, executive, sales and support, business owners, and software users. Each category offers various rates that you can choose from. For example, this says its average hourly incentive is this amount. Then, another category will pay you this amount of money. To earn the maximum income possible, just focus on 2 categories. First, choose the executive category as it will pay you extra money for just an hour of participating. The second category that you should choose is business owners because you can earn an extra $500 per hour on their research projects. The next step that you can do is to narrow down the options. Once you are inside your account, you will see the filter button. Now, choose the remote filter. So it is important to filter the projects so that you can choose when you want to work and where you want to work. It is expected that the number of projects that you can participate in will decrease because there are a lot of researchers that require face-to-face interactions. I don't want you to travel nor to speak face-to-face with them because that will beat the purpose of earning money online. You just need to work at home with your computer or phone. After this, arrange the compensation range that you want. As an example, you can set the filter to $5 up to $1,000. Once you set this filter, you will see all the projects that will pay you the amount that is within the range that you set. You can also increase the range of your compensation to $300 to $1,000. Then you will see all the research projects that you can participate in order to earn a huge amount of PayPal money online. Just try to filter it out within the $200 to $300. You will see that there are hundreds of projects that you can participate in order to earn money online. Now, I will show you the estimated amount of time that you will need to spend while participating on this project. This one will pay this amount of money for finishing it in a short time. Some projects will also take longer to finish, but they will surely compensate you properly. As you can see, they are willing to pay you a very high rate of money just for doing these simple jobs. Again, you can also filter this out. You can choose to answer research projects for around 5 to 60 minutes only. The results will show you all the projects that can be done for around 60 minutes. For our example, I filtered out the projects by choosing the payment range of $200 to $1,000 with an estimated time of fixed to 60 minutes. The results are very few, but they all pay really well within a short period of time. Now, just click the title of the project that you want to join in. The page will show you the amount that they will pay you and the estimated time to finish the project. It will also show you the instructions that you need to follow. After that, just press the Start Screener button and answer the questions provided. After completing the questions, you can now start joining the project and earning money online. Now, I will share with you a second method that is unknown to a lot of people. You will still use this website to work and earn a huge amount of money online. You will earn money without doing any hard work. You can literally just share your referral links to other people using various tools such as social media. I will tell you a place where you can share your link. As you can see, this site will pay you an average referral bonus of 50, meaning you can earn $50 for every person that you will refer. Imagine if you can refer 10 people to this site. You will surely get $500 easily. It is a really easy way to have a passive income stream. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.